Welcome to Agate Enchantment
and Rock
Wizardry.
Wizardry.
That's our channel, that's right, that's what. If you want to know something about rockhounding, well, we have endeavored for years now to put out quality videos that will help you in your rockhounding experience, right, CJ?
Yes, and as you said, I'm CJ.
And I'm Denny.
Yes.
And we've got cutting videos, we got polishing videos.
We've got tumbling videos,
we got go
videos.
find it and ID it videos, a whole section on rockhounding.
And it's all to help you be
right.
a better rockhound.
In fact, that's our mission, is to help you find more skills in your hobby, to find better products to use as you get deeper into this hobby. You'll probably spend some money.
We
certainly have.
Oh yeah.
You know, turned out some pretty cool, fun projects too.
Yes.
So, okay, hey, thanks for visiting our channel. Look around and please email us with any questions or comments you might have.
Yes. We try to answer them at least within a couple of days.
Quick as we can.
Yes.
Thanks again for visiting our channel, and remember what we always say.
Get out there, get rockin',
and find your treasure today. That's right.